feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To draft a power of attorney, POA, for financial transactions, start by deciding the powers to grant, such as property management, banking, or investment decisions. Choose a trustworthy agent. It's essential to use a state-specific form to comply with local laws. Clearly specify powers and duration, avoiding vague language. Notarization is often required for legal validity. Finally, consider registering the POA with relevant institutions. Consulting a legal professional ensures the document accurately reflects your wishes and meets legal standards.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.